So let's make a guess. Where is the fence? I don't know where is the fence. And what is that water bubble coming out? Alright? Are those fishes? Fishes farting. Man, that's a lot of cleaning to do after this thing is done. Let's see if the boat, the 3D printed boat, will float or not. Will it float? My worry is if my 3D printed boat will float or not. So we put it here and see. It's actually floating. Awesome.
It can float.
It can float. So I haven't waterproofed the hatch or anything, so there might be like water going in. So okay, there you go. Moment of truth, if it will work or not. Thank you. Let's sit down here and see. The boat is floating actually.
Engines are.
Yeah, it's working, man. My 3D printed boat is working.
So slow.
Oh, it's going underwater. I need more weight backside, I think, so that it can get up, right? Wait, I should move the battery at the right side, I think.
Yes.
Still, the front gets in the water, digs in, but it's fun to drive, right?
I can try.
Okay, one moment. Let me just check if it is going underwater or not. So I have to redesign it in order to get the front up and go faster, because it's digging in from the front and going in like a submarine. Later we'll make something that can go fast. Yeah, maybe we can put the motor on the front side so it will pull it harder, you know? Don't go too far. Maybe we won't be able to bring it back. Yeah, we have to do something about the thrust. This boat can float and go very fast, but we need to do something about thrust so that it will thrust maybe upward a little, so the rear will go down and front will come up, and then it can actually skip the water and go very, very fast. So gotta do something on this one.